Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is kind of my take on Pennywise. I've actually never seen the movie, but I have read the story and I get it. I'm just not super into watching horror movies. I guess it would be a thriller, not a horror. I don't know what it would be. But they're not necessarily my favorite. But this is my take on it. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more bloody, as if, you know, Pennywise was kind of cut and it got infected, so we have like little veins all around, and he also ate his victims, so I have blood in my mouth. But I really hope you guys find this video fun to do. And honestly, kind of like I said in my last video, I'm going to be starting out with the much easier makeup looks. This look is super duper easy, so if you want to see how I got this super simple Pennywise makeup, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so I'm starting out with no makeup on, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be mixing two things. So this is like a foundation shade that matches me. It's a little light actually. It's a little on the light side, even though my face looks really red now. Just ignore my face. And then I have this e.l.f. concealer that's super light. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that Fit Me foundation. I just got the dewy and smooth one. So I'm just putting some of that on my face. And then I'm gonna dab on the e.l.f. concealer. Just like around. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend all of that in. And blend it down to your neck, of course, because we don't want that whole like weird look. So that's easy. Put it on your ear as well. You know, you don't want to miss any spots, especially when you're using a color that's very different from your natural skin tone. So now I'm just powdering with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in Fair. I'm just gonna powder everywhere. He has like dirty, dry skin, so we're gonna make our skin look nasty dry. I'm just using that sponge so it kind of just blends in. I have like patchy skin right now, which honestly might work for this look. Like I said, he got some gross skin, Mr. Pennywise. Okay, so I'm gonna do like the most simple kind of burgundy smoky eye that I ever could possibly do in my life. So I'm just gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna go into the Life's a Drag palette. Highly recommend if you're looking for a good palette for Halloween. The black is amazing, the white's amazing. All these colors are really good. These colors right here are good for like zombie type looks. This is amazing for like blood. I just highly recommend this look. So I'm going to go in with Hunty. Just put that into my crease. I'm going to bring Hunty underneath as well. I'm going to take some of the white, which is Cake Face right here. I'm going to dab it along my lash line. And the lower part, just like that. You can honestly do whatever eye look you think you want to do. Don't think it's anything too crazy. I mean, he doesn't really wear eye makeup, so this is just me taking a creative look at it. And then I'm going to take the color Snatched right there, which is like the perfect burgundy red for this look, and I'm just going to blend that over the Hunty shade. And now we're going to go ahead and do like the whole look. So first I'm going to go brush that I used in my last tutorial, this one right here, with that color from the Life's a Drag palette. This one's Snatched, and I'm going to create that shape. Just like that. I'm going to go over that a little bit more. It's all, like sticking onto all my dry skin. So I kind of want to, I know that his is just makeup, Pennywise, but I kind of want to create it kind of as if it's been cut into the face. So I'm just gonna do this, what I'm doing right now, and then we're gonna add like a line in the middle with blood. So that will look a little bit more scary, in my opinion. Okay, and then I'm going to go with a blending brush and blend all of that red out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to take the shade Trade, which is right here, and I'm going to make a line kind of going in the middle of that, just to deepen it up. See how it kind of looks a little bit more like it has depth in it? Like I've been cut a little bit. We're gonna get there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with that blending brush again and just kind of go over that. Blend it into the colors that were underneath. Okay, so kind of like I had said before, I'm doing my own take, I guess, on Pennywise. So not only am I going to be doing the cut thing that's happening, but I think I want it to kind of look infected. Hear me out. So I want it to look infected. So instead of doing like that whole like green infected thing, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and like add like veins. So when something is infected, you get like red, like I guess it's like the blood vessels around it start getting like infected. So I'm gonna do that kind of around the area because I want it to look cut. Ooh, look at that. Good job, Margie. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this very, very small little detailed brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, I'm gonna go in back and forth kind of through Snatched and Trade, and I'm gonna create little veins. I'm gonna come in closer so you guys can see it. Blood vessels, not veins, sorry. You guys see it? I hope so. So those are like the little blood vessels as of now. So I'm just kind of creating like little shapes coming off. Did you guys hear that? My dog just farted. Damn, Shadow. Okay, so that is that part done, and I'm going to go ahead and continue that all along the slice. Okay, so those are all of the blood vessels. We are looking good and kind of infected, kind of not. So I'm going to go in with that same little brush. I'm going to make a thin black line in the middle of all of that. So I'm going to take that shady color, and I'm just going to make a thin black line throughout it all. You honestly could just use an eyeliner, but I want to make my life harder, I guess. I need to look up how Pennywise kills people. I don't know. So now, you know what? No, I'm going to finish up the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. And then we're going to do lips, and then we're going to add the blood. So I just finished applying mascara. You can go ahead and apply lashes and stuff like that. But I don't really want to look like that pretty, you know? I still want this look to be scary. So on the scarier side, obviously, like I'm not looking that scary right now. But if you want to apply lashes, you are more than welcome to, but I just think I want to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and get this red lip liner. It's by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my waterline. Actually, I might take a darker one. Darker red. This one's a little bit too bright. Yeah, that's a little bit too bright. I'm going to go ahead and grab this other one that's called Plum. Let's see, Plum Plush by Jordana. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this one on my waterline instead. This one. And that is it for the eyes. And now, I found out that he eats his victims. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, but not too precise. I'm going to put that lip liner also inside of my lips. And then I'm going to grab the 2 eyeshadow shades that we were using, Snatched and Trade, and I'm going to mix them together a little bit. And I'm going to put that on the lips and kind of like rub it around. Because if he's over there eating people, you know, he has his lipsticks everywhere. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go in with the blood. Actually, I'm going to put my hair up first. I'm going to put my hair up so he's a clown. I do have red hairspray. I kind of don't want to use it, but we'll see if it like does that much. So I'm just going to split my hair down the middle. I'm going to do 2 pigtails because that's what I see so many people do to kind of recreate. I feel like this hair color could work. I don't need the red, right? I just really don't want to put on the red. So I'm just going to make 2 pigtails. Alright, so I have my 2 pigtails. Again, they're not perfect. I don't think they have to be perfect. And now we're going to do the blood. So I have this fake blood that I just got from Target. This is not edible. I think it would be really cool to have like blood coming out of your mouth, but I'm not going to put this in my mouth. So what I'm going to do is I always have some brushes that I don't really care about. I'm going to take one of those brushes that I don't really like. Oh, I don't like this one. I'm going to go ahead and get a little plate. Actually, no, I'm going to put it in the cap of this, and then we're going to draw the blood onto that area and then just kind of let it drip. Okay, so I have this lace that I'm just going to tie around my neck. I don't really have anything else that would really work for this. I have a lacy choker, but it has like pearls and stuff, and that doesn't really, I don't think Pennywise would wear pearls. This is a really long piece of lace. I don't want to cut it because it was my grandma's. It's like from her sewing kit. I was able to take some of her lace, so I'm just gonna tie it around my neck. Just like that. Now I look a little bit more like him. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take that blood and do what I said. Put it in the cap and then trace it onto the red part. Probably shouldn't open that with my mouth. So now I have my little blood right here. Ooh, and we're gonna get going. Now it's important whenever you apply fake blood to have some type of darker base underneath. That's what kind of why I put the brown in the middle and the black in the middle, because if not it'll look super, I guess, unrealistic. Just kind of put like big blobs of the blood. As you can see, like right there, I applied a little bit of a blob. Okay, I'm gonna apply that in the brow, kind of dripping down. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the blood on my lips a little. Alright, so I think that that's all the blood I want. I think I might add just a little bit more. Just on this outer corner. I kind of want it to drip down. So I think we're done. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any requests for me to do for this Halloween season, then please leave it down below. I have a lot of stuff planned, but I'm definitely down to take any suggestions. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next Halloween video.